to learn these English basic phrase to Nuer or thok nath. Well, okay, I am at school and tadul gore. I am at school. I am home and touching. I'm inside the room and tare duel. I am inside the room and tare duel. I am in the hospital and ta duel well. I come to school and shabandul gora. I come home and shabancheng. I came to my village and shabandawishda. This is my cow, meme a yanda. These are my cattle, titikohoka. This is my goat, meme edela. These are my goats, titikedetka. This is my sheep, meme aramda, or you can say meme edela. These are my sheep, titikedetka. Romka, you can say that. This is my calf, meme a kwal yanda, meme a do yanda, you can say the same thing. These are my calves, titi ka kwaloka. Thank you for listening and for learning. Please try to share it with others. Thank you.